Maybe next year, Quartzsite. Hey everyone, Rick the Static Nomadic. It's with a really heavy heart that I have had to make the decision to leave Quartzsite already. I'm gonna head back to Florida. I've got some issues that I need to take care of, and really the only way to do it is go back to Florida. I actually had to go back to Florida in the spring anyway. I planned on wintering it here and then going back and dealing with that, but sometimes life just pushes you in a certain direction, and this is what I feel like I have to do. Been a heck of a trip out here, and I sure am hoping for a smoother trip back. I want to thank Russ with RVer TV for everything he's done for me. He's a good friend of mine, and I appreciate you, Russ. I really do. Also want to thank another friend of mine, Andre. I met him last year out at LTVA, and again, another good friend, and I appreciate you, Andre. That pizza was awesome, and I'm still eating on it. Anyway, just a quick look around here. As you can tell, we still don't have many rigs out here at all, but sure did see a bunch of them rolling in yesterday, all headed to LTVA, I'm guessing. Got my little gen running right now, top off my house batteries. Unfortunately, my house batteries have now decided to, I guess I better lock that, huh? I couldn't find my keys, so I quit what I was doing. Unfortunately, my house batteries have decided to take a dive on me as well. So I'll be replacing those when I get back to Florida. I may put this in storage for a while and sell off a bunch of stuff. Regroup, possibly downsize. I don't know. I know the one thing it needs is a bath. Anyway, I'm not in a huge hurry to get back, but I am just rolling it straight across 10. It'll be another couple thousand miles. So, let's hope and pray everything goes good, huh? Alright, people. I'll keep you updated. Peace out. This is not good, people. This is not good. Not good at all. Oh, God dang it. Oh, God dang it.
Well, I don't know if you can see the play in that, but a water pump went. You hear that? Locked up, killed the brand new belt. Dumped all the new antifreeze out of it, and managed to blow that high pressure line up on top.
This is absolutely something I never thought I would see. But it's been the way of the trip, huh?
Morning, everyone. Rick, Static Nomadic. This is where I spent the night. Sitting alongside the road. They were supposed to drop me off at this RV park here, but he couldn't get down the entranceway. So he ended up dropping me at the side of the road. I really cannot understand why they towed me 55 miles back the opposite direction that I was traveling. They should have pulled me to the Cummins dealer in Phoenix. I mean, after all, the wrecker company was actually out of Surprise, Arizona, which is northern Phoenix. Makes no sense to me. Anyway, I got to get back on the phone with roadside assistance this morning. See what they're going to do. I'm assuming they're going to send a wrecker again. And tow me to the Cummins dealer back the other direction. I don't know. 23 miles to Quartzsite, but there is no Cummins dealer there. Getting parts for this probably be difficult in Quartzsite. Now this is our second tow. Guess what? Headed back to Quartzsite. Maybe I wasn't supposed to leave Quartzsite. What do y'all think? That is never a sight you want to see. No. Well, everyone, back in Quartzsite. Trailer's here. Fenced lot. And he's dropping my rig now on the best auto. And I'm still not sure why I got towed backwards 75 miles. But anyway, that's where I'm at. See if we can get this thing fixed.